If you are searching for PLC training for maintenance teams, you probably want to see it work, not sit through another slide deck. This is Pilot the Full platform inside PLC Simulation Software, captured from the real browser product. The learning system connects explanation, guided practice, feedback, and a visible next step instead of leaving you with disconnected videos. The useful result is a repeatable learning route, explanation, a guided action, immediate feedback, and saved evidence of progress. Watch how the platform turns PLC training for maintenance teams into a practical route with browser labs, progress, feedback, and proof of completed work. Follow the highlighted interaction on screen and notice that the feedback changes with the action. This is the practical loop the lesson is designed to teach. Use this demo to decide whether the workflow matches what you need. The matching page goes deeper into the concept, while the browser lab lets you practice it instead of only watching it. Open the matching browser experience and complete the first practical step yourself. There is no install and no credit card required to start. Visit plcsimulationsoftware.com.